Hello! Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I'm doing something different today. So instead of my nails, as you heard about in my last video, stay tuned for updates. Yeah, anyway. I have a little package from Amazon. My hair dryer broke last week. Yeah, at least I have curly hair and it dries naturally. So I just washed it, got myself ready for the video, and we're gonna do my hair today. Hey! So I'm gonna try out this new blow dryer brush. It has different attachments. So we're gonna open it on up. Okay, now that it's opened, here is the box. It is INGLAM, Glamour from Within. So it comes in a nice box. It says it is a hot airbrush set, INGLAM 3 brush for all hair types, new. So I'm gonna open it up. It comes with a nice carrying case. I like that. Cute box. Like I need a box, but hey, toss it aside. So I like the little case that it comes in. That is great. Everything's compact, travel friendly. So that is a plus. So I'm gonna zip it, unzip it. Comes with a glove to protect your hands from the heat. A Velcro pad. It helps keep the hair out of the way. So if you want to put your hair out of the way, you can just actually, and it sticks. How about that? Good luck, isn't it? Hey. Okay. Something like that. So it's easy to get the little flyaways out of the way if you're doing something intricate. It has the instruction booklet, a little, oh, there are other products, healthy hair care tips. So nice, nice. It has a nice rat tail comb, so that's good. Oh, very handy. It comes with clips because I forgot to grab those before I started the video. I always forget something. So that's good. Nice. Look like nice clips. It has a little weird thing probably to help clean the equipment, I'm assuming. Get the hair out of the brush. So let's just open all the attachments and see what we've got. Ooh, nice. So it has a round brush attachment. It is kind of flat on each side, which is good. I like that. It helps smooth the hair, especially if you have long hair. That'll help smooth it out a lot better. So I like that. What is this? Must be the blow dryer itself. The little protection nozzle. I'll take that off. Just throwing things on the ground. Okay. Cute. And I got the pink one. It comes in 2 colors, so I got the pink. I don't remember what the other color was, but you know, basic. So there we go. We got that. Comes with an actual brush. I like that. That's cool. That's cool. Like it. A tiny little diffuser. Oh my god, it's so cute. That is cute. That's perfect. Diffuse the hair. So obviously it attaches very nicely. So to diffuse it, that'll be perfect. Yeah, that'll work very nicely. I'm excited to use that. And this is the attachment I'll be using, honestly, most of the time. But I wanted to get this one because it'd be nice to style my hair other than curly. As you can see, it dries very well naturally. I usually just let it, last week I was letting it air dry because I had no hair dryer. And then I'd spray some hairspray on when I got to work. The benefit of being a hairstylist. You have hair products at your disposal right there at work. So that is great. I also comes with the little fancy nozzle. This looks like they pretty much knocked off Dyson. This is the design Dyson has. I don't know how big the Dyson one is, but that's nice. So it has the basic hair dryer nozzle. Lock it, lock it. So that's good. So I'm going to try this one. It snaps on nice and secure. There's 2 buttons on each side right here that you just press and wiggle and it comes right off. So that's nice. Oh, haha, guess it's backwards. So there's an arrow on the attachment, and there's an arrow on the blow dryer. So there we go. Cute. So I am going to untwist this, plug it in, and let's see what we can do. Okay, it is plugged in. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Well, that is tiny little writing on the bottom. You definitely cannot see that, but my nasty little nail is pointing to it. It is right here at the bottom. There is a twist thing here, and it says, oh, cool, low, and high. Perfect. There is no, you cannot control the heat. There's a, oh, I got distracted. So you can lock and unlock this bottom part of the vent. So we'll keep it locked so I don't just destroy something. So nice. So you have to twist it to get to cool. There's no cool shot, which I hardly use even when I'm at work. So, but it's nice that there's a cool option, low and high. Perfect. So let's just turn it on, see what it sounds like. There's cool. Low. I can feel the air come out. Feels like a low setting, sure. High. Not bad, not bad. We'll see how I like it. Power is 1100 watts. Voltage 125 volts. Don't submerge in water, obviously, but there's a little picture of a bathtub and a shower. Yeah, so don't use it in the shower or bath, you know, just think. So we're going to clip some hair out of the way. And I'm just gonna see if it can all clip. Okay, 2. We'll just use 2. Ooh, and I dropped things. Ooh, I'm back. Okay, so we'll do that. Just clip messily, not, see, there it is. So I'm gonna take this brush. It's on high, let's go for it. Very easy to use, I have to say. And my little mirror from Daiso. Isn't that cute? No, obviously I can't see the back. I don't know what I'm trying to look at. Not bad. It seems pretty smooth. My hair straightens very easily, but that was a lot easier to use than a blow dryer and a brush and trying to get back there. I don't know about you, but I have problems. I can round brush anybody else's hair, but they're sitting in front of me. Your own head, not so easy. So far so good, so let's continue. Whoop. If I break things, it wouldn't be the first time. So I'm just going to take one side up and clip. I'm doing this off of feel because I have just that tiny little mirror I showed you. That's it. So let's see. Oh, that feels like it's gonna come down. Before I continue, what I have on my hair already, I shampooed it with Aveda's Botanical Remedy shampoo and their rich mask. So my hair's nice and soft. And I used first I used the Nutriplenish treatment, the daily moisturizing treatment from Aveda. Love this stuff. They have a lot of great leave-in conditioners, but this is my favorite. And I used Confixer, so just a medium hold gel. This one's not stiff at all. So I just use that because it's great for blow dries. So I'm going to continue and let's see how I like it. like it. Nice. Kind of want to play with the other attachment. Ooh, my curls are drying really well. That is pretty. Lockets. Pretty nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's probably fuzzy, but we'll see. Ooh, okay, that gets hot. Just saying. So careful if you're going to remove it because obviously it's hot. So let's try this attachment. That works great if you want a quick blow dry and just kind of don't need much. That attachment, the little brush would be great. So let's continue with this other one, and I'm going to finish the style, and I'll fast forward through it and I'll come back to you. Okay, I am back. I am not mad at that, but I really like how that works. I can get used to it. I think it definitely takes some practice getting the motion down if you're not used to round brushing your hair. It's definitely a lot easier than having a round brush and a blow dryer separately. Love it. I'm definitely gonna love this attachment because I like to diffuse my hair so I don't look like I'm soaking wet when I get to work, you know. But yeah, this is handy. I didn't use it, but I think that will be handy. The clips were great. Great clips in the kit. And then this, definitely use it to get all that hair out. Look at all that. Shit in, get my little garbage can out. So definitely, I just grab those little teeth and do that. I'm just doing it lengthwise, and it helps get the brush in. Don't leave your brush completely hairy. Make sure you de-hair. Look at that. You'll feel like you're balding, but that's okay. It's okay, it's okay. So cleaning it out, I love how they gave you this little tool. I have a big one at work with just metal things. There are 2 different sizes on each end, and it helps clean it out. So this is to get the dust out from back here. So you do want to clean the vents every once in a while on your blow dryer. Oop. Aha! And it obviously comes off nicely. Then you just, every once in a while, you can go in and de-dust because it will get dusty and clog up, and then you'll burn the motor quicker. So take care of your stuff. I'm going to put this back on. I do like how that's made. Seems pretty sturdy. And it's pink, it's cute. So yeah, it's a win. The brush is big. It definitely would work really good on longer hair. It worked fine on my length, and I have between my chin and my shoulders. So not bad, not bad. I don't know what the back looks like yet, but I'll show you. So here's the back. So it feels like it's nice. So that's what we look like. I'm going to take a little bit just of my leave-in conditioner, just a tiny bit. And if there's any flyaways, that'll help tame them without grabbing an extra product. And whose hair doesn't need moisture? Of course, now that I feel all sweaty already, because that thing that thing got really hot, which is great. So the glove is fantastic. As you noticed during part of my blow dry, I use the glove. So if your hand is getting too hot, trying to focus where you want the hair to be with the brush, put the glove on. That helped a lot. I didn't feel like my hair got frizzy from it. So it's a win. So thank you for joining me on a different kind of video on my channel today. And this is great product. So I'll put the link below. And if you're interested, check it out. It's from Amazon. So thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in another video. And I hope you enjoyed this style video, something a little different. So I will never stop doing nails on my channel. I just need them to get back to health, as I told you on my last video. But I'll be trying out different things, so stay tuned. So thank you so much again for joining me. Don't forget to thumbs up my video. Give me a nice thumbs up, like this video. Do it, come on. Subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1,000. Woo! So come on, let's help me get there. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I will see you next time. Stay safe and toodaloo.